Joule's law, the amount of heat generated in a resistance due to the flow of charges is equal to the product of square of current I, resistance R, and the time duration T. Kilowatt-hour, the amount of energy obtained by a power of 1 kilowatt in 1 hour. Mobile phone, an electronic device with two-way communication. It sends and receives the message in the form of radio waves. Musical sound, sound having pleasant effect on our ears. Mutual induction, the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in one coil due to change of current in a neighboring coil. Magnification, the ratio of the image height to the object height. Mechanical waves, those waves which require some medium for their propagation. Nearsighted, myopia, the defect of eye due to which people cannot see distant objects clearly without the aid of spectacles.